subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Oppo Find X2 and X2 Pro, the company is now reported to launch another smartphone under the same series called Oppo Find X2 Lite, and it is also going to support 5G network. Recently, the German tech site VinFuture has shared the renders of the upcoming Oppo Find X2 Lite along with some key specifications. According to a report by VinFuture, the Oppo Find X2 Lite will support a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a water drop notch that will house 32-megapixel selfie camera. On the rear, there is vertically aligned quad camera setup at the top left corner, including LED flash. The quad rear cameras are set to include a 48-megapixel main camera accompanied by 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 chipset coupled with Adreno 620 GPU. The device will pack with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. On the software front, the handset will likely run on Android 10 with ColorOS 7.0 skin on top. The smartphone will come backed by 4025 mAh battery that will support 30 watts fast charging. Additionally, the Oppo Find X2 Lite will also feature an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. Now, talking about the pricing. The Oppo has not revealed any details related to Oppo Find X2 Lite at the moment, but according to a report by VinFuture suggests the smartphone to price in Europe at 500 euros and it will be sold in black and white color options. So as of now, that's all we know about the Oppo Find X2 Lite smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.